C8 Pate, back at you with another video. And in today's video, I am in, where the heck am I at? I am in Hoffman Estates, Illinois at a car show. Man, we got helicopters out here. You know what I'm talking about? We got a DJ rocking it. We got some of the hottest cars out here, man. Lamborghinis, McLarens, Audi, whatever you want, whatever you looking for, it's out here. It is out here. Let's check some of these rides out, y'all. Y'all, don't hesitate. Get in that comment section. If you see one you really like, you let me know. Get in the comment section, let me know, and I'll get it for you. Haha. Boy, I am like, this is like car ADHD out here, man. For real, for real. No, you don't. Oh. Yeah. Hey, them wheels look sick. Them wheels look sick. Got that green Lambo, got that orange Lambo thing. Ooh, this nasty right here too. Good Lord, Jesus, that's nasty. Got the wrapped C8. It's like that granite color that you see in your kitchen, like kitchen counters and stuff. Got that young Porsche. It's definitely all out here, man. You name it, it's out here. Another McLaren. A Mercy. Oh, Mercy, boy, but I still take it. That boy still look good. You know, we got the Aston Martins out here, the Porsches, that young Lotus. What y'all think about the Lotus, man? For real, what do you think about the Lotus? It just looks like a go-kart, right? McLaren. Hey, this green Porsche, this nasty right here. I'm trying to see what's my favorite. I know it, man. It's head southwest. It's the entire summer. I don't care where I'm at the entire summer. I am at every single car show in all Chicago, the other states, surrounding states, cars and bike shows. That's what we do on all this GTO. Man, we got some tough cars out here, man. Got that young Dodge Viper. Got another Lambo. Another Lambo. And another Lambo. Only in the suburbs, the Chicago suburbs, that's where everything is at. That's where it's at, yo. The Chicago suburbs. Uh-oh. Got that Z06 out here, Corvette Z06. That thing beating, ain't it? Look at that boy. Get in the comment section, let me know. Do you like the Z06 better than the original, than the Stingray? Which one looks better, the Stingray or the Z06? It's just so much going on out here right now. I am in car heaven. Okay, a Pagani, right? That thing tough right there, Joe. Oh man, let me get a look at the back of this. I'm scared to get a look at the back of it because, you know, that boy nasty, man. I'm scared to get a look at the back of that boy. Just looking at it gonna make me bust one. Yeah, that's decent. Yeah, man, that thing. Man, let me tell y'all something. I gotta add, man, if I get a Lambo, a Ferrari, and now this one right here, this Ferrari so nasty. Uh-oh, somebody out here in a T-Rex. That's what I'm talking about. Show him, give him that T-Rex action pops. Uh-oh, another C8. What kind of C8 is this? What in the heck? Hey, I'm seeing some different type of stuff today, boy. Good lordy. Got that Mustang action. Mustang. Satin black C8. Got that yellow C8. Lexus LFA. That Camaro. Boy, you know what? I ain't going to say what this is. Get in the comment section. Let me know if you know what this is. Man, if you're a real car head, you know exactly what that is. Okay, we got the Lexus LFA that they fucked up. That shit looks terrible. Man, it's all out here today. Man, I ain't never seen this many LFAs in one place. LFA. No, it's not LFA. What am I talking about? LC500. This is a LC. These are LC500s. Now, what I want is a LFA, but that's a LC500. Ooh, yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that boy sound good. You know, I got. Yeah, that's it. Japanese power. Damn. Which exhaust? I'm a big boy. Which exhaust did you put on that joint? Dude, Dennis, dang. Hey, man. Sounds amazing. Which exhaust is that? I had to do it big, huh? Which exhaust is that?
So this is a PPE muffler delete. And then the GT house sounds like sounds like a damn NASCAR. I heard of all that. Got the race muffler on it.
Man.
It's the only black LC in the day.
Race muffler.
Only black one.
Hey, that thing is that thing nasty, bro. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm all right.
I'm Candace. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Candace.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to finally meet you as well. Hope all is well.
It is.
Uh-oh, this Brandon right here. Man, they got so much stuff out here today. Lord Jesus. Good Lord Jesus. Let's check them out. Man, that LC500. Dang. 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 Your boy is at every car. Okay, let's check out these old schoolers. Okay. In the comment section, let me know if you like this joint. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. We got this boy over here. The heck? So I guess it used to look like this. You know what? I didn't even catch that. I just thought it was nothing there. Man, that is interesting. I don't even know the name of this car. Get in the comment section. Let me know if you know the name of this car right now before I show it to you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What y'all know about this SS right here? Oh man, y'all see that dash in there, right? Man, there's just so much going on up here right now. That SS with 120 on the dash. Got that old school vet. Old Mercedes. Get in the comment section and let me know if you know what this is right here. What is this? We got another LC500 out here, but it's a convertible. That grill, that thing nasty. This the one right here. Yeah, got that peanut butter interior. This LC500. Y'all see it, LC500. It looked kind of like the LFA, but when you see them next to each other, it's clearly not the LFA. But if I'm gonna get an LC500, yes, I'm getting a convertible LC500. Hey, this one worth adding to the collection right here. I like this one. Hey, I'm in love with it. Absolutely. Oh, y'all want to go Back to the Future with it? Let me know if y'all want to go Back to the Future with it. I built this motor myself. Haha. Oh, that's smart. Got the mirror on the ground. Show the exhaust. Damn. It look like a stainless steel car. I'll roll it, I'll roll it. Damn. The hell? All right, man. Yeah, your car sound like trash. All right, let me see. Okay. Hey, there's so much out here. They out here. Got some tacos for me, huh? Oh, what's this one? Old school vet. Couple of muscle cars, but what is this? What is it? Oh, yeah. A Falcon. Okay. What y'all know about this one? Sorry about that. Man, and the cars just keep coming. The Z06. Good Lord Jesus. That's my guy too. I know who that is. Z06 looking good. Z06 looking good. This Aventadoria. Yeah, that Aventador nasty, bro. But this Bentley right here, this right here, my nigga, this Bentley right here. Good Lord Jesus. Rolls Royce. Man, that's C8 sound different. They out here, man.
That's his.
Yes, sir. Man, loud as hell. Got a roll bar in it. That's what's up. Yeah, man, this car show is ending. Ooh, look at the paint. Okay, that paint is flicking on there. I messed with this paint. This paint nasty, but them wheels terrible. Them wheels are huff, boy.
They got a Viper coming through over and the SDO.